So, I'm here repairing this now after it has been kind of left out in the elements. As you see, it's not been cleaned or re-greased in a long time. And what he ended up doing was full boring it. He ripped this chassis brace apart, or ripped the differential case apart. You can see the gears in the inside. Snapped one of the cups completely off and bent this chassis brace into a straight up and down and then yeah, this is snapped off the mount. I'm surprised he didn't. This is all rusty too. I'm surprised he did not. Oh, yep, he did get into that. No, it didn't. Maybe. Well, things you get. Can't have nice things.